Hey guys, I know it's late and I was supposed to upload this on Thursday night, but I'm going to do the last two worksheets, which is a total of 8 problems. So we're going to start with the first one, 1A. And just as a review, you guys are supposed to be looking for the first point, which is going to be 3. So that's your starting point, and it's a positive 3. Notice how this one isn't numbered, okay? But we already know this is always 0, right? The starting point. And these are all the positives, and all the negatives end up on this side and this side, positive positives. So 0, 1, 2, and 3. And our slope is 4 over 1, because remember, there's always an imaginary 1 under every number. So we're going to go up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and over 1. We can still go up one more time, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and over 1 if you want to make your line more accurate. Same goes for going down. 1, 2, 3, 4, over 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, and over 1. So with a ruler or like the edge of a book, you would trace these to get your line. For 1B, we have the opposite, which is a negative 3. So we're starting at 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, because negatives are on the bottom, negatives, positives. And we also have a negative slope. So you see the negative in front of that x. And it's also over 1. This is actually negative 1 over 1 is our slope. So we're going to go down 1. Remember, negative slopes mean that our line is going to be in this direction, right? It's going to line up with our right hand. So we're going to go negative 1. So down 1 over 1. You can go again, down 1 over 1. You can do that forever until the line runs out on the dots, on the squares. Or you can go up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, etc., because that's our slope. So these are actually literally connected, 1 square away. Outline. There's your line. Okay. For the next one, guys, don't forget you guys can always IM me questions or take a picture where you're struggling, or you can even try to send me a video on IM on the Hangout, so you can send videos and send pictures, and then I get to you back really quick, within 30 minutes the most, because they are on my phone. And if my phone is on silent, then that's where the issue is, but I get back to you pretty quickly. Okay, so negative 3 is our starting point. Don't let this weird format confuse you. It's simply 5 over 7x. Okay, so negative 3 is our starting point. We already know that's here, negative 3, right? And then we have a negative 5 over 7, which is down 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And remember, we're going to go this way because our slope is negative. So we need it to go this way. So it's 5, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So our next dot is here. We can go up, set up 5, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in the negative direction. So those are our 3 points. These are a little further apart. Let me see if I can connect them. That's the answer for that one. Obviously, if you have a ruler, it's going to look a lot nicer. And then this is a positive 8 for our starting point. So y equals 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is our starting point. Again, this is just another way of writing this. So we're going to go up 1 and over 6 in the positive direction. So our line will go, I can't hold the paper, that way, facing that way, or lined up with our left hand. So we're going to go up 1 and then over 6 in the positive direction. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't know why this paper got slippery all of a sudden. Down 1 and over 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you notice, let me see if I can get closer. This line is positive. It's just slightly going up by 1 square. Okay. So that's the answer to this one. I will upload pictures of it when I am done with this. All right, so moving on to the second page. And unfortunately, they have the same numbers, but they're all different problems. This one starts at, well, guess what? Y equals -8. So this one's actually pretty simple. So we just have to find our -8. This is 10, right? 10 minus 2 is 8. So we know, well, actually, no, we don't know if this one has 10. I assume it does. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 would be here. So yeah, this one has 10 as well. Negative, positive. And because it doesn't cross any x's, it's just a parallel line through the -8. Okay. The next one, plus and minus. -2 is our starting point. So this is 0, 1, -2 is our starting point. And then we have a -3 over 1, correct? -3 over 1 is our slope. So we're going to go down 3 from our -3 point. So 1, 2, 3. And negative slope is going to go this way and then over 1. No, positive. This side, sorry. Lost it for a second there. 1, 2, 3, and over 1. You can go again. 1, 2, 3 over 1. And again, 1, 2, 3 over 1. So you can draw out your slopes from each line. Negative slope lines up with your right hand. So that would be correct. All right, we're almost done here. This is just checking for understanding. Hopefully you guys were able to complete these before today, because I'm assigning new ones this week. So -9, we know it's going to be here, because 10 minus 1, oh, I messed up. It's super late, I'm so sorry. -9, so if this is 0, this is 1, -1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Sorry, -9, the bottom. And our slope is 5 over 1. So we're going to go, we can't really go down the 5, so we're going to have to go up, 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 up. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over 1. And then from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over 1. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over 1. To give us a more accurate line, because we can't go down and do it the opposite way. So from here, we draw this. That's a positive line. Plus goes that way. Looks good. All right. Last one. -3. 1, 2, 3. And we have +6, right? That's a plus over 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 over 1. Positive slope. We can go again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 over 1. And actually we have room to go down 1. So we can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 over 1 to the opposite side. And then we just line those up. That's a pretty steep line. And it's a positive, and it looks good to me. All right, again, I will be taking a picture of this one and posting it on the answers classwork tab. It's so late. I'm so exhausted. I miss you guys. I will be assigning probably work shortly here, or if not tomorrow, first thing in the morning. All right, have a good night.